So till now we have divided the whole training session into two different parts. The initially we saw about the standard attributes and the different sheet metal creations method, and after that we have divided into the advanced level 1 and 2 where we saw the high-end advanced applications which we use in industry. And in this session I will be explaining about the projects which will be applying the concept which we learned in our advanced and basic all composite way in these projects. So let us start with the project 1. So in project 1 you can find like this component. Our target is to create where we'll be creating all the sorts of options which we learned. That means in a very common way I can say you that this couple of options which I will show you in this project you will be using frequently on day-to-day work of sheet metal design. And this will be the blank, how it looks like, and the blank dimensions which we are expecting. So let us come to your final project and how do we start with that I will show. Let us start this project in Creo 2.0. From your project folder which you can find within your sheet metal advanced exercise projects, you can open this project 1 and which you can construct step by step, which I will show you. So I'll go to the view and I will switch this control to the shading. This is the component which looks like this. So I will show you how quickly you can create this, but in our complete training series you can find this particular modest detailed way of approach and creations, but quickly I will show you how you can create this particular model in a standard process and what all different typical options you will be using, that I will show you. So typically if you can find, this will be the standard part which you will be creating through your standard wall definitions. Then we'll be using the cut to trim out this process, and after that you can see the couple of trims which you have that you will be using here, and the complete details you can find the step by step and the dimension detail in my complete training series which you can watch and which you can directly get from smartlearningindia.com. And now you can see we have flattened it because we'll do some operations over that and we'll be cutting the slots as per the requirement. Then we'll be mapping that slot in the required shape in all the areas where we'll be distributing this. Now you can find after doing these operations you can cut out this particular typical section by using the profile, and after that you can perform these typical operations by attaching a wall and doing this set of operations, and finally we'll be doing a final cutoff here, whatever the cutoff you need to have, and after that we'll bend it. Then we'll be going for these options through bend back, and again we'll be using the bend back this side, and finally again another one bend back, and we'll be getting this shape. So in this way quickly you can create this type of complex structure which you use typically in sheet metal design. Thank you.